This is ways to make money at any age you are. Honestly, I have been really wanting to talk about this topic for a long time because I believe your age should never limit your income. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just looking for a side hustle, these are 7 real ways to start earning. Let's get into it. Step 1. Baking. If you're good in the kitchen, people will pay you for it. What to research to get you started? Look up your local cottage food laws. These tell you what you can legally sell from your home kitchen. Also, research cake pricing calculators so you don't lose money on ingredients. A great way to start is specializing. Instead of just cake, do custom birthday cupcakes or Vegan brownies. It makes you the go-to person for that specific thing. When you're starting out, don't try to be a master of everything. Pick one signature flavor or style. Look into batch baking and cake decorating for beginners. You need to know how to manage your time, so you aren't spending 10 hours on a cake you only sold for $40. Start by offering weekend treat boxes. It's a great way to test your recipes on neighbors before committing to massive wedding cake. Step 2. Becoming a writer. You don't need a degree to do this, you just need to be clear and helpful. Search for freelance content writing and SEO basics. Understanding SEO helps you write articles that show up on Google, which is what businesses want. Writing isn't just about stories, it's about solving problems for businesses. Another research you should do on AI content editing. Many companies use AI to write drafts, but need a human to fix the tone and facts. This is a huge growing market. You can ever look at sites like Upwork or Fiverr. A good example of high-paying niche is writing product descriptions. For small e-commerce shops, they are short, simple, and always in demand. Step 3. Working at a salon. Working at a salon is great for social people. Research on salon assistant or receptionist roles. You don't need a license to sweep floors, fold towels, or manage the booking software. You can also research customer service soft skills like Vagero or MindBuddy. Knowing how these systems work before you apply makes you a top candidate. If you're a student, offer to manage their social media booking. Many older salon owners are great at hair, but struggle with social media. A classic example is a high school or college student working Saturdays. You get paid an hourly wage, but you also learn the business from the inside, which is huge if you ever want to open your own shop. Step 4. Content creator. As you can see, it's something I'm trying to do myself. You can research on niche selection and platform algorithms. You need to know where your audience hangs out, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. A good way to start is with short-form content first. It's easier to grow on TikTok or YouTube Shorts than it is to make 20-minute long video right away. Step 5. Video editing. Since everyone wants to be a creator now, they all need editors. Look into software like CapCut Desktop for beginners or DaVinci Resolve for pros. Research short from video trends because TikTok and Reels are where the most work is right now. A good example is offering to edit highlights for streamers. You take a 4-hour gaming stream and turn it into a 60-second viral clip. Step 6. Pet sitting and dog walking. Pet sitting. This is for the ultimate any age job. Research apps like Rover or Wag, or look at local Facebook community groups. Also, research basic dog first aid so you're prepared for anything. A great example is midday walks. Many people work 9 to 5 and just need someone to let their dog out at noon. It's consistent and easy money. Step 7. Reselling, flipping. Finally, number 7 is reselling or flipping items. Research comps, comparable prices on eBay. Before you buy something at a garage sale, search for it on eBay and filter by sold items to see what it's actually worth. A classic example is book flipping. You find textbooks or rare books at thrift stores for $1 and sell them online for $20 or more. The best part about these 7 steps is that you can start today. Pick the one that fits your schedule and just go for it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.